Hi Barbie dolls, I'm Azusa Barbie. Today is the Barbie Hair Reroot Documentary episode 4. So today I have 1 hour exact for rerooting her. So it's gonna be like a time challenge today. Let's see how much I could reroot in 1 hour. Yeah, so right now I only have this much rerooted. And so far it looks good, I think. Yeah, I will reroot for 1 hour today. So please watch. I'm super beginner, so don't make fun of my poor skill. I'm literally setting for 1 hour. So let's start. Let's pluck from the bottom line here. I will just follow the dots where she used to have her hair. So it won't be that hard, I think. Alright, in 1 hour it got like this. So far it looks good, I think. So in 1 hour I added like this much today. Looks pretty real. Yeah, so it's like nice mix of dark brown and black. It was just a little update, and tomorrow I will do some more for sure. But today I wanted to show you how much the beginner could reroot in 1 hour. So maybe I need like a couple more hours, maybe 3 hours, because the bangs will take longer. So yeah, I'm pretty sure I need like more than a couple hours for sure. Look, pretty. Stay home, be safe, be happy. Hope you have fantastic Barbie quarantine. Bye.